Hello guys, today we are going to see a new video on Circle2Search 2.0, I would say with Circle2 Translate. Let's start right away with the long press of the pill on the home screen or the home button to activate Circle2Search. I'll show you the first activation. It's rightly shown how the functionality works. There are the privacy policies below, the terms of service, and it precisely shows us how we should circle. Let's begin immediately with the test. We already have a good understanding of how it works. We can mark any image, drawing, or anything on the screen, and it will be searched for. An additional action we can take is to incorporate text in order to further refine the search in combination with the image, thereby making the search more precise, exact, and specific in nature. We are still able to see the three dots in the top right corner, which indicate the presence of the search history, the option to delete the searches from the last 15 minutes, and the option to provide feedback on the search experience. Let's move on to the strong point. Translate. Let's open something to translate, for example, my website that has some text in English. I'll put the part in Italian, here it is, so I'll show you that it will be translated as soon as we press the translation button on the right. It gets translated into English, in this case, since my smartphone is set in English. This is Circle2Search, phenomenal and super fast on all pixels, on many Samsung smartphones, especially S22, S23, S24, Fold. It will gradually arrive on all smartphones with Android 14. We are sure of it. We just have to wait. Subscribe to the channel and give me some likes, guys. Thank you.